Hey guys, Josh here, Ben and Bass Fishing. This is a summary of all the great catches that I've caught this year. I got to travel all around the United States, taking off work, and really getting to explore the United States and all it has to offer you. Alaska, Wyoming, North Carolina, not in the order, California. It is a really great country to fish in. So take that. Happy Thanksgiving. Watch all my great catches. Make sure you subscribe and hit the little bell notification. Ice fishing will be starting soon. And check out my last couple videos about ice fishing and some of the ones from last year. They're really helpful if you're just starting out ice fishing. And like, subscribe, and enjoy. One.
No, don't be 1, 2, 3. You gotta be way up higher now.
Alright, try. Right here, no. Yeah!
Yeah. Right.
They'll take them.
Beautiful fish. Finally, my first laker ever.
Really?
Yeah. What was it, 26?
26 and a half. Yeah.
26 and a half. Come on. Jumbo crappie. Holy sh! Jumbo crappie, that is amazing. That just made my day. Same price. No, that's so nerve-wracking now. Woo, that's cold. Another one. I think pretty sure that's the same fish I caught before. It's got the same scar marks.
Come on.
All right, you two, let me know if that's got the same scar marks as the other one. It's got. Yeah. Holy shit. Yeah, there's a spring fish right there. And then some. Yeah, there we go. That just made my day. Only a 4.38. Not bad. Screaming the reel, buddy.
Not bad for that. I'm have to let Josh get the biggest fish today. Johnny Pig does it again.
I'm not gonna stab at it.
Please don't. Oh, my arm's getting tired.
Oh, dude!
Woo! Yeah, buddy.
Let's see what we got.
See,
Oh, baby.
That's not a bad one, huh? How many pounds
It's a
is that?
10-pounder. It's a 10-pounder. You got one. Holy crap. Dude, that's a big fish.
Haha.
Yeah. Dude, congratulations. That's a big one.
Is it?
You got mine one.
So that's my fish, 10 pounds.
10 pounds, beautiful. Buzzards Bay, Tautog. Big old buck teeth. Check out those teeth on this bad boy.
Here's a nice rainbow on the Connecticut rivers. Look at how pretty that fish is. That is a smaller one from this weekend. I caught bigger earlier, but I lost a bunch of GoPro footage, so here's one of my fish. Alright, first fat fish ever. Nice toad. Finally, how long have we been here? Since 6 o'clock at night, and it's now I have no idea.
Like 11 of them.
It's 11 almost, and first one of the night. Nice large mouth. Couple of pounds, nothing special. We had an earlier one that was 5.5. Amazing.
Hell of a night.
Hell of a night. See you, little guy. Nice.
Dope, dude.
Alright, I want something that pulls drag here. Like that. That's another one. Jeez, they fight good. Oh, this is fun. That actually hurts my arm pretty good. Pin them again. Okay, I'm free. I'm coming down here where I can kind of land him. He is not ready to go yet. Oh! Currently on some roadside stream here. And look at that rainbow right there. Look at that pretty fish. Well-fed, fat. I'm not sure how long he is. Let's get a measurement on the fly rod. Right from there to there. Beautiful fish. Sorry, my face is all blown out. Let's get him back in there. I have no idea which way this drag works. That way, apparently. So are you guys seeing this? This is I'm thinking another silver salmon. He's really fighting me. This is gonna be lights out on a fly rod. Look at the size of that zombie fish. Look at him. I don't even know how big that is. That is past the first section of my rod. Look at them teeth. He smells bad too. Look at that. Oh, it's a male too. That would be the male part of the fish. And I'm gonna let him go. Sucked it just subsurface. It's a decent sized grayling. I mean, not humongous or anything, but look at that grayling on the tenkara. On the royal wolf. Look at that, that's crazy. And let's get the release. Back to your home, buddy. I don't think he knows he's hooked either. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's a good way to break a rod. Nice silvery guy. Small one. Did you see the size of that thing? That's a king. So that's what I was so I snagged him, I think.
Okay. Probably ate it. Just missed it. Give me just a second, Rory, and I'll get one on there for you. It's a nice dolly, dude.
Is it?
It's huge. I mean, not huge, but it's a nice dolly.
Sweet. Oh, got him in.
A dolly varden, it's like the brook trout.
It's a char family. Nice dolly. First dolly.
Good first one.
There you go.
There's that.
Thank you.
And I'll get you the...
No. Well, the last one I didn't realize it was that big. I'll do your.
Well, I grabbed the wrong one.
Oh, no, it's not that big. Yeah, it's a salmon. All right, he's almost done. Promise. Or not. He's all yours. There we go. Ah. Give him the mouth?
Yep.
Nice. Easy release. There we go. See you, bud. Sockeye. Okay. Still on there.
A little bit more.
No, yeah, he let him handle it. There we go.
Right in the motor.
Yeah, that's it. Big one. Look at that snout on that thing.
I know, that's what I wanted to say.
For the video.
Oh my goodness. It's something really big.
That thing's big.
Oh, it's a huge catfish.
It's that catfish.
Oh.
Nice.
That thing's big.
Who wants the film?
I'll get you.
Oh, can I film? I want to film.
Does somebody hold the...
I want to film.
Back up, back up, back up.
Look at it. Oh, that's humongous.
It's okay, I gotta...
He got GoPro.
Oh my god.
Look at that thing.
Oh.
That thing. I'll turn it from.
Oh my goodness.
That thing's the biggest thing in the world.
Huge.
That's the biggest thing I ever saw.
Oh my god, those are strong teeth. Oh.
Does that hurt?
That's on a barbless hook, guys. Oh, nice. I wish I had my scale with me, but I don't. I don't know how big that is.
I'm guessing
I
5
don't-
or 6.
It's
That thing's big.
it's a nice hefty fish, and catfish can live out of water for quite a long time because they can breathe out. They can breathe air. But see those whiskers? Oh, 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 oh.
That thing's massive.
Oh yeah, it's tearing up my hand.
Wow.
Yeah, it does hurt. Let me see that.
That was.
Yeah, that is sick. First pond catfish. Pretty sweet.
Big.
Wait, that's your first pond catfish?
Yeah, that was on gluten-free bread.
Nicely done, dude.
Alright, thanks. That is sweet.
That is the coolest catfish I've ever.
See ya, dude.